once carrying humanity forward, discarded tires now scar our planet. Globally, 1.5 billion tires are scrapped yearly. 70% of the UK's waste tires undergo primitive oil refining in India. This isn't recycling, it's slow-motion murder. Primitive refining means open burning, toxic emissions, soil contamination, and explosions, banned worldwide. BBC's lens exposes not just pollution, but stolen health. Can waste tires be treated legally and responsibly? VaryTech answers with 20 years of expertise in oxygen-free pyrolysis. In sealed, temperature-controlled oxygen-free chambers, tires transform into oil, gas, and carbon, reborn as black gold. Pyrolysis oil fuels industries and refines into green diesel for ships, trucks, even sustainable aviation fuel. Carbon black reinforces rubber or becomes industrial pigment. Steel wires recycle into metal abrasives. Where eco-action meets profit, true eco-tech creates visible barriers. Purified gas recycles for self-sufficient energy, slashing emissions. Triple safeguards minimize dioxins. Post-combustion emissions exceed national standards. Industrial-grade automation ensures precision. Integrated leak prevention, emergency response, real-time monitoring, and AI interlock guarantee safety. As BBC stresses, tire recycling must be safe, efficient, and green. VaryTech's pyrolysis turns black pollution into black gold, unlocking circular value.